Hello guys and girls, today I'm going to show you step by step on how I always do my analysis on my charts, and I even show you how I'm able to make thousands worth of dollars on almost each trade that I do take. If this sounds interesting, like something you need right now in your trading, then this video is right for you, and make sure you watch it till the end. Guys and girls, welcome back to my video, and let's jump straight into the analysis. But just to be clear, we'll be using a phone to do our analysis on, mainly because the phone is more easily accessible in any trade. Now guys and girls, we are on a 1 hour time frame, as it can be seen on the screen, and with all respects, it can be seen that the trade right now is on the downtrend, right? And by all means, we know that a downtrend means that we are to sell and an uptrend means that we are to buy. That's just a normal theory that we are always told in the trading, especially when we're starting to learn this game out. And it's true, but that's not always the case. And on this video right now, I will rate that to you. Now most traders would come and even draw this level right here like this and tell themselves that the trade right now is on a retest and hence it's buried for take for a sell. And majority of the traders who, by the current statistics, I think are up almost to 90%, they will take some sell trades right here and wonder why they keep losing each now and then, which may make some to start being jealousy and have that poor mindset of believing that each trader having good results is either a scammer or a demo trader. A very poor mindset. They forget this important gold piece of information that I have been talking about in almost all of my past videos, of not getting too much zoomed in one time frame alone. You must always learn to practice top-down analysis. Just to be clear, what is top-down analysis? When you go over the internet, they will tell you that top-down analysis refers to suing comprehensive factors as basis for decision making. But right here, I will show you just in plain simple English that top-down analysis is the accurate way of analyzing the markets, where you start analyzing using higher time frames and progress slowly towards the lower time frames. So before we say right here, let's go to the higher time frame, which for I as a day trader, the highest time frame that I use normally is the 4-hour time frame. I normally do not go beyond the 4-hour time frame. You can find some of the day traders using the 24-hour time frame, some even the weekly, but for I, the 4-hour time frame is the highest time frame that I normally use. You can ask yourself, what is the 4-hour time frame showing right now on your screen? What I can tell you is that it can be clearly seen that on the 4-hour time frame, the price is on a very important support level, and on the 1-hour time frame, the price is seen that it was on a downtrend, plus it is on a retest, while on its higher time frame, which for this case is the 4-hour time frame, it can be seen that the price is on a support level, hence the market has a potential of going back up, right? So here is a question for you: will you choose what the lower time frame is telling you, or will you go with what the higher time frame is showing you right now in front of your eyes? Which one will you go for, guys and girls? Well, here's my answer for you. I personally will go for what the higher time frame is showing me. If you have a different answer from mine that you beg to differ, then please comment below and fight for your point. So okay, you have noticed the price is on a support level, right? So what's next? Should you just be impatient and enter straight into the market? Well, don't do that. Although most of the traders will say the price right now is on a support, let me just enter straight away. But if you do that, you'll be forced to have a very huge stop loss, which we as risk management traders, that will not be good for our accounts. You must always look at the way the price first is reacting around the level of interest, which in this case will be the supports. And looking at our price right now, you can see that the price made wicks around this level, and not once but multiple times, of course, here and here. So again, should you just enter into the market right now just because the wicks have formed around this level? Well, note, that's not the way. Going on our entry time frame, which for this case I normally use the 30-minute time frame, if not the 1 hour time frame, as well as my entry time frame, it can be seen that the price is just way too high for us, which will force us to have a very huge stop loss if we enter into the market right away. So we have to press our buy limit orders and stop loss at the same time and sit back and relax. If our orders don't get triggered, then fine, but hey, at least we were correct, right? So let's press my buy limit orders and see what happens next.
A few moments later. Later.
Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. In any case you want to join my VVIP signal services, please do click the Telegram link in the description below and contact me and be aware of my services right away. In the meanwhile, please take these few seconds to like this video and hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you for watching and bye bye.